From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Good evening and welcome. The executive editor of the Republic Media Network has been threatened with imprisonment by the Mumbai police for not revealing the source of the Hansa document that exposed their commissioner Parambir Singh. The Hansa document, which is the basis of the FIR in the TRP case, names India Today clearly in 5 places and not Republic TV. And viewers, every document we put out is true. India Today has today taken BARC, the rating agency, to court in the Mumbai High Court about the leakage of the report against them, the leakage of the disciplinary committee report of BARC, which found the channel guilty of TRP manipulation. So this is an admission by India Today that the document I put out is true. Now, had that document not been true, why would India Today take BARC to court? But that is not my point. Now, my point is, viewers, that every day the truth is beginning to come out. The point is that it is absolutely clear, viewers, that every day the truth begins to come out. When the Mumbai police tells the executive editor of India's #1 network that in their view, a journalist in India no longer has the right to refuse to reveal his source. That is what my executive editor was told. He was told, what do you think you are? Who do you think you are? The Mumbai police is telling you that you cannot refuse to reveal your source. Tell us who gave you the document. Where did you get the document from? Who received it? Who put it out? Why did you put it out? Viewers, what is happening in Mumbai is Chicago-style mafia operations. This is wrong. This is wrong. And I know the rest of the media is on the other side, but they are wrong. For them, it is only about, oh, Republic will be fixed. Someone will deal with the #1 channel because we can't compete with them. But you are wrong, Lutyens Media. I will win this. This is unconstitutional. The Mumbai police's questioning was a challenge to the assumption that all journalists have a right to decide the headlines. The Mumbai police says, how do you decide the headlines? How do you decide the flow of the news? By interfering so obnoxiously in the editorial process of a news channel and challenging our editorial freedom. The Mumbai police has shown its desperation to be at another level. And why are they getting desperate? Because there was never any case out here, viewers. There was never any case, so they've gone completely desperate. It's showing in their behavior, their conduct. And one more thing, as of this minute, viewers, the Group Chief Financial Officer and President of the Republic Media Network, the Group President and Group CFO of our network is in the crime branch, Mr. Sundaram, one of the most respected media professionals in the country for the last 10 hours. Yesterday, a cabinet minister in Maharashtra said they would create a situation where I would commit suicide. The national media, entire so-called national media, I call them Lutyens Media, is all very quiet. And to all of them, I want to say this. I'm giving you a piece of good news. Report it. We are going to win this. I also have a message for the Mumbai Police Commissioner. Or more appropriately, let me say this for the Mumbai Police. Don't be on the side of the wrong. If the Mumbai Police Commissioner wants to fix me, to everyone in the Mumbai Police, I'm saying, do not participate in this. If you threaten innocent people and try to fix India's leading news channel, you will be digging your own grave. Parambir is desperate. He's digging his own professional grave. He's dug it and is sitting inside it now. Public opinion is against him. The truth is against him. And this is 2020, not 1975. So the time is also against him. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 big debates this evening. On debate number 1, in the court of public opinion, once again before you I ask, the public is asking tonight when this political police terrorism will stop. And debate number 2 tonight, a journalist in this country is told you have no right to not reveal your sources. We will carry out a witch hunt and it will get worse for you. To them I say, bring it on. And here's the headlines on Fight for Republic this Thursday evening on the debate tonight.
अभी कोई भी सीबीआई को जांच महाराष्ट्र में करना है तो महाराष्ट्र सरकार की परमिशन लिए बगैर सीबीआई भी महाराष्ट्र में जांच नहीं कर सकती.
Complete panic has broken out in the Maharashtra government. They are pulling out all stops to somehow stop the CBI from interrogating Parambir Singh. With the focus on the police, political, corporate, media conspiracy, CBI sources saying Parambir could be facing questions. Anger in the Mahavikas Aghadi government over Parambir's lies. Top alliance leader reveals his possible replacement is being considered. Republic executive editor Niranjan Narayan Swamy threatened with imprisonment for refusing to reveal the source of the report that exposed Parambir. It's a complete mafia operation in Mumbai. The persecution continues. Republic Group President and Group CFO Sundaram interrogated for 10 hours. And the good news is the bogus TRP case has collapsed. Desperate Parambir now brings in the economic offences wing to somehow try and fix the Republic Media Network. And first, viewers, those are pictures of the group president and group chief financial officer of India's #1 news network, the Republic Media Network, Mr. Sundaram, who just came out after a 10.5-hour interrogation at the crime branch. Anant is with us from the crime branch. Anant, अगर मेरी आवाज़ आपको आ रही है, तो ये इंटेरोगेशन थी कि कस्टोडियल डिटेंशन थी? मुझे तो लगता है कस्टोडियल डिटेंशन थी इनकी.
देखिए अर्नब, ये पैटर्न बन चुका है. जब प्रदीप भंडारी से पूछताछ की गई, निरंजन से पूछताछ की गई, अब सुंदरम से पूछताछ की गई है, 9 से 10 घंटे लगातार बैठा कर रखना लग रहा है कि मुंबई पुलिस का एक पैटर्न बन चुका है. देखिए इस वक्त सीपी ऑफिस के ठीक सामने है. सुबह 11 बजे सुंदरम को बुलाया जाता है और अब 9 बज रहे हैं, क्योंकि 10 घंटे से ज्यादा की लगातार पूछताछ की जा रही है. वो भी उस केस के लिए जिस केस को लेकर के उनके वकील कपिल सिब्बल कोर्ट में कह चुके हैं कि इट्स अ प्रीमेच्योर केस, जिस केस में रिपब्लिक का नाम तक नहीं है. उन तमाम चीजों पर और उसकी वजह सिर्फ एक है. देखिए, जो आप लगातार सवाल पूछते हैं महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट से, जो लगातार सवाल पूछता है रिपब्लिक परमबीर सिंह से, उसी की छटपटाहट है, उसी की बौखलाहट है कि लगातार रिपब्लिक को समन भेजे जा रहे हैं. लगातार रिपब्लिक की जो कार्यकर्ता हैं, जो लोग यहां काम कर रहे हैं, उनसे 8 से 10 घंटे की 12 घंटे की लगातार पूछताछ होती है. और वही देखिए आज भी हुआ. कल निरंजन से जो पूछताछ की गई, निरंजन से पूछा गया कि आखिरकार जो आप सबूत देते हैं हमारे झूठ का पर्दाफाश करने के लिए, वो सबूत कहां से आते हैं, वो सबूत किस मीडियम से आते हैं.
सुनिए,
और आज जो सीएफओ सुंदरम से लगातार पूछताछ की गई, उन्हीं से भी तमाम वैसे ही सवाल पूछे गए होंगे जाहिर तौर पर. वरना लगातार वही पर्दाफाश हम कर रहे हैं और वही पैटर्न लगातार देख भी रहे हैं.
आनंद, इनका कोई प्रॉब्लम है कि इनकी अभी
राजनीति है.
इनकी जो ये पैनिक है, जो बौखलाहट है, ये सारी दुनिया देख रही है. अभी सारी दुनिया देख चुकी है. ये पैनिक है क्योंकि इनको पता है जो षड्यंत्र था उसके सबूत लोगों के पास है. और षड्यंत्र भी जल्दी ही पर्दाफाश उसका होगा. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू वेरी मच आनंद. And ladies and gentlemen, the bogus TRP case against your network is undoubtedly the biggest fake news story in recent times. And why do I say that? Because, and let me give you a concrete example. you would realize, viewers, that when the fake news was put out, a group of people inimical to the growing strength and viewership of the Republic Media Network came together and called us names. The moment the truth came out, the moment we put out counters, the moment the details came out, is any one of them even reporting the facts now? No. They are discussing when there will be a COVID vaccine. Of course, it's important. But where is the glee and excitement in those Lutyens channels who are jumping with delight that we have been able to fix the Republic Media Network? No. You will be fixed instead by the truth. Now, as more details unfold, the political, corporate, police and Lutyens media conspiracy has become crystal clear. And in fact, there are issues of collusion. I don't want to talk about any individual organization, but I am told that certain news organizations in Lutyens participated in this lie. Participated not just in broadcast, but in terms of maneuvering certain things behind, which are going to come out, and I'm sure they will be questioned. Tonight, Parambir Singh, the Mumbai Police Commissioner, knows it's time up for him. His political masters are getting very edgy, because now that the case has collapsed, they don't know what to do. They know if this man is investigated, the truth about the conspiracy will be out. And once that happens, it will expose the slimy and dirty underbelly of the political police terrorism against a free media.
ऐसा है कि दिल्ली पुलिस स्पेशल एस्टेब्लिशमेंट एक्ट, इसके तहत अभी कोई भी सीबीआई को जांच महाराष्ट्र में करना है तो महाराष्ट्र की परमिशन, महाराष्ट्र सरकार की परमिशन लिए बगैर सीबीआई भी महाराष्ट्र में जांच नहीं कर सकती। इस प्रकार का आदेश हमने कल होम डिपार्टमेंट ने निकाला है।
There's a sense of panic in the Maharashtra government. The blocking of CBI cannot be seen in isolation because it comes just 12 hours after the CBI taking over the TRP scam investigation in Uttar Pradesh. The nervousness is possibly because they know this man has put them in a spot by lying about Republic TV in a live press briefing.
BARC ने जो अपनी एनालिटिकल रिपोर्ट सबमिट की है उसमें जो नाम सामने आया है वो है रिपब्लिक टेलीविजन का, जिसमें के सस्पिशन ट्रेंड्स टीआरपी के देखे गए।
Forget malpractice. There's not an iota of proof against Republic. Not a single piece of evidence. The bogus case is completely collapsing.
In their desperation to somehow try and fix Republic TV, we have been told that the Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh has roped in the Economic Offences Wing, or the EOW, to assist the crime branch in the investigation. What baffles us is that how is the Economic Offences Wing have anything to do with TRP, the fake TRP case at all in the first place?
The questions that are now being asked are: who are your advertisers? What is your company's valuation? Did your company make losses or profits? How is Republic Network managed? What is internal structure of channel? What is your organizational hierarchy? Meanwhile, the motivated agenda is becoming so clear that even leaders of the alliance know it's going to end up cutting a sorry figure.
We are being told that not one, but two of the top leaders of this alliance are very clear that this man needs to go, because not only he has brought trouble, or rather distributed the whole Mumbai police mechanism or the institution, but also it is bringing bad name onto the government, and the same has been communicated back to the Chief Minister's office. We were also told by our sources that a meeting took place in which we were told that not two but at least 4 to 5 top leaders were present, out of which 2 were on a telephonic conversation, and in which there were around 3 to 4 names which were discussed that who can really take his position.
देखिए, मैं किसने क्या कहा मैं कोई कमेंट नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन कोई पुलिस कमिश्नर हो उसको ईमानदारी से काम करना चाहिए, कोई कैंपेन नहीं करना चाहिए, इतना मैं अवश्य कहूंगा.
The signs were clear when he was contradicted by his own police force in the courts. There's a revolt brewing, and justifiably so.
Top sources privy to the details of investigation express shock and horror at the manner in which it is going on. Some officers have told of discontent within Mumbai Police. One officer said that Parambir Singh was compromising the image of the force. Another that he is forcing an agenda on the Republic investigation. And in the third instance, another officer told us of how witnesses were being forced to name Republic TV.
सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेशन रोकने का क्या मकसद हो सकता है? ये हमको हाँ ये तो स्पष्ट है ना कि किसी भी कोई पर्टिकुलर मामला होगा जिसमें कि वो निष्पक्ष जांच नहीं चाहते होंगे.
This police commissioner's position is becoming untenable. There are questions that he can't run away from anymore.
Here is a question I have. Did Parambir Singh call the owners and editors of media houses? One. B. Was his interaction with the media over and above what went on air? C. Did he, before or after his press conference, have any conversations with editors, consulting editors, or proprietors of media houses? If so, what was that conversation about?
It's the biggest battle ever in the fight for media rights, because as the conspiracy unravels, the truth behind a malicious and motivated campaign is emerging. Tonight, in this battle for the truth, join us, show your support and defeat the vested interests. Let's debate.
Mr. Jain, let me ask you a question. It's not entirely hypothetical, but it's direct actually. Mr. Jain, can you tell Nupur, who's on the other side of the debate, that if Parambir Singh had some conversations beyond the official interaction, I repeat, beyond the official interaction, which is the press conference per se and the 9 interviews he gave abusing Republic, if beyond this, with certain members of the Lutyens media, if Parambir Singh had any conversations with A, owners, B, editors, and C, nudge nudge, wink wink, consulting editors, I repeat, Ishkaran is smiling, I wonder why. I just use a generic term.
Why I'm smiling.
No, I just said
one point I would.
Editors, editors-in-chief, and proprietors, or nudge nudge, wink wink, consulting editors of Lutyens media, then tell me who should go to jail first.
Can I add a
the proprietor, the editor, the nudge nudge, wink wink, consulting editor, or Parambir?
Can I add a question to Mr. Jain? And if that person was named in the FIR, and you had or the channel was named, or the media house was named, and then you had an off-the-record conversation with a party who's accused,
I'm
or
saying
a person working in the party who's accused.
I'm only saying one thing. I'm not. No. PK, don't freak out. PK, don't freak out. PK, I came to you. I came to you first. I came to you first. And my question is, and I have a right to ask questions. I have a right to ask questions because.
Let me reply to it.
Yes. Okay. PK is replying. Okay. PK is replying. Then Nupur will reply. This is going to be a really fascinating debate.
And answer my question also. If you have a accused in a FIR,
will you please keep quiet, Ishkaran? Let me reply to what he has asked me.
And my
first of all, Arnab, police commissioner is a public figure. His telephone number is available across the board. If he speaks to somebody or anybody speaks to him, it cannot be objected to. It cannot be objected to.
Police commissioner.
Even the
common citizens of Mumbai can call up a police commissioner.
Anybody has a right to speak to him, and he is expected to take calls. That is one. Secondly, as far as the investigation or as far as the interrogation from your editors, from your managerial staff is concerned, you know, when your witnesses had gone to Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh,
no. I am on an issue of PK. The word tonight that I shall repeat is panic. 1 minute. Nupur is on the other side. Give me a minute to intervene occasionally. My question is, and I should be allowed to articulate the point. They were so happy, Nupur. I remember on the 8th, they were swept with waxing and waning and waxing and waning and of emotion. And, you know, I looked at them and they seemed so excited. जैसे कहते हैं हिंदी में सारे बत्तीसी दिखा के सब हंस रहे थे They were so happy about the TRP scam. It was like, oh wow. But now, the same people are discussing what kind of shopping should be done during Navratri, which is also an important subject. They've suddenly dropped this like a hot potato. Where is the happiness gone and why?
Can I just come in? I want to put
their decision. If they don't want to air something, it is their decision.
Sir, the question is to me now, please. Can I please,
Okay,
for an
please,
outsider, who does not belong to Maharashtra, let me just put the things in perspective, and even from a legal point of view. You know, it's so funny. They don't name you, but another particular media house in the FIR. You know, they crack open with breaking news, and I remember I was sitting on a particular channel wherein this was breaking news and the PC was being shown live. Nobody actually bothers to check that you're not even named in the FIR.
Yeah.
This is later on accepted. Please hear me out. This is very interesting, Arnab. This is later on accepted in the courts of law. Very interestingly, the media house whose name is actually there in the FIR who brushed under the carpet. Secondly, you know, interestingly, Maharashtra becomes the 5th state, non-BJP rule state, to pull the permission, the consent required for CBI probe.
Panic.
Especially in the wake of the facts, because the name of the media house named in the FIR, the headquarters is in Delhi NCR, in fact, under UP police. So interestingly, when there is an FIR registered, CBI wants to probe, immediately permission is withdrawn. Everybody knows that once this is a pan-India case, you're not only publishing your channel in Maharashtra, your channel, including the one named in the FIR, is being shown across the country, both English and Hindi. So interestingly, if it's a central subject to be investigated, they pull permission, they pull the consent because they don't want, and now I will tell you what they don't want to come to the fore. Like you showed in the sting yesterday, that there may be a conspiracy where politicians are involved with the executive members, like the investigative agencies, to ensure, and what is this called in legal language? Arnab suicide kar lega. This is a betment.
Arnab suicide kar lega.
This is a betment. This is nothing but a betment.
This is the latest project.
And secondly, Arnab, I want to now also, I was reading today on your channel, they actually give the case to EOW. Now, EOW in Mumbai has a jurisdiction above 6 crores. I fail to understand TRP ka kya lena dena hai bhaiya EOW ki investigation se. And secondly, most importantly, have they now shifted the goalposts from the TRP case to now where Republic got its finances from, which is something they tried to do.
Now they are saying,
they filed 200.
no. Now they are saying, no. Now they are saying,
See,
these
the TRP is directly related to the financial benefits any company gets.
Please
if the TRP is higher and if the company gets higher revenues, obviously it is going to be an EOW better.
Are you out of your mind?
This is an administrative order. 6 crores is an administrative order which can be overruled.
You are going to get hammered so badly in the court. No, you do what you want. I'm telling you.
Are you investigating how Republic as a media house got its finances? Did it get its finances from a PSU, from public funding? Is that the goal of investigation in the TRP FIR? Or is the investigation of the TRP FIR absolutely different? Because if it's the TRP FIR,
oh, so you... No, 1 minute. Hey, PK, 1 minute. PK, listen. Listen to me. 1 minute. I can't listen to everyone together. By the way, I want to tell you one thing, PK. I want to tell you, Surendra John, don't shout. Why do you speak in that loud tone? It's not good for you. You got a wonderful sandy voice, but it'll ruin it if you speak like this. Now listen to me. Listen to me now. Listen to me, yaar. Listen to me.
Mumbai police doing anything illegal?
Okay, yeah, they are doing something. They are doing a lot illegal. I'll talk to you about it. Just a point.
What is illegality?
Just a point.
What is illegality?
Just a point.
What is the illegality?
Just a point. Just a minute. Just a minute. Gotcha. Wait a minute. Here's one thing. Listen. I'll tell you one thing. When I'm not on TV, I'm an excellent listener. MR knows it. And we all wait to... I'm sure if there was a conversation between people in the police and people in the media, Lachin's media, or politicians, right? Then we will all listen very carefully. I'm sure it will be a very interesting conversation to listen to. And how delighted shall we all be, MR, should there be such a conversation? Because that will tell the people of India what this was actually about, what they didn't bargain for. You can hide the truth in the Sadhvi Pragya case. You can fix the case of Hindu terror. You can try and turn around, blame, create an idea of Hindu terror.
Yes.
You can pick up people from a Hindu group. You can turn around the truth of Malegaon. You can pull the chest hairs of a serving army officer. You can torture a 38-year-old Hindu monk, a lady, right? Threaten to strip her. You can do a lot of things. You can get away, and you can get away, and you can get away. But at one point, you bite off more than you can chew.
Karma is a five-letter word.
You bite off more than you can chew. I repeat, did Parambir have any chat with Lutyens editors to target Republic? Or consulting editors? Gentleman says he can speak to any consulting editor or proprietor. I said, yeah, he can. But what was the conversation about? How many times did it happen?
And did it happen prior to the...
Did it happen prior or after?
Or immediately? What was the proximity? What was the content?
Approximately for how much time? Why did reporters reach Arnab's house half an hour, 1 hour before your press conference, Parambir? Parallel lines of conversations, despite a press statement, suspect.
No, you mean to say that the...
I mean to say nothing. I say, I don't mean to say.
Sir, there is no meaning in it. Everything is evident. It is evident it was an orchestrated act between people in New Delhi
so the
and Parambir.
Police has no power to investigate.
Now why is there panic then? Then let the CBI investigate.
They have no
Surendra Chauhan, why are you panicking? Let the CBI investigate.
No, why
let the CBI investigate. All parts of this is going to come out. Give them a free hand. Let there be an investigation. Let there be.
Mumbai police to investigate.
Mumbai police are fine, but not under this Parambir. He has no credibility. Don't you know? He's a botch-up man. He messed up the Sushant Singh Rajput.
Parambir is not investigating the case.
He's a botch-up man.
It is the officers.
Yeah, there's some encounter specialist who's investigating. There's some encounter specialist whose name also came up in the context of... There is an encounter specialist whose name came up. Whose name came up. Yes, go on. Why are you in panic? Let the investigation continue.
And why is he coming out with a press conference?
You are in panic. Why for each and everything? Why each and everything you need CBI? Why don't you trust the Mumbai police?
Because we have lost faith in it. Because we have lost faith in a police force which has gone rogue. Please understand that. It has gone rogue because Parambir has taken...
MR has lost.
Sir, Sir, on SSR murder, you are botched up. In Arnab's case, you are botched up. You still want to have faith in it? Sir, Parambir has as much credibility as Rahul Gandhi. So don't try to say anything more. Rahul Gandhi has as much credibility as Parambir. We do not want... Sir, there is no independence in Parambir. He is controlled by... Sir, Arnab has revealed something very stunning today.
In Alok Verma,
PK, answer
Alok Verma was there at the head of CBI. You people created the same
What information does he have? He is only making baseless allegations and biased allegations.
Listen.
MR, what evidence do you have of this thing? MR, I'm asking you, what evidence do you have? You are only making baseless allegations on a national channel without any responsibility.
Okay, now can
MR is responding right now, please.
Now,
1 second. Just a minute.
Sir, tell me, how many press conferences has Parambir made on FIRs? Tell me that. How many times Parambir has come on air and said he will respond to a press conference on an FIR? Tell me that. Second, when a police commissioner comes, and how many times police commissioners in India have named a channel or a person who is not named in the FIR?
I tell you one thing. I have to say something right now. MR, 1 minute.
1 minute.
Okay, go.
1 minute, Arnab.
Go on, MR and PK. Go on, MR. Go on. Sorry, carry on.
People like PK must take it on. They are senior people. They must go to the IPS association. They must tell the IPS association. This man is a blot. This man is a blot on the police force. This man.
I want to tell you. I want to tell you something, viewers. 1 minute, viewers. PK, listen to me, PK, listen to me, PK. I'd like to say something. PK, you're much older, you're much wiser, but never forget 2010. Okay? I used to be the editor of another channel, MR knows. Our friendship goes back then. Never forget 2010, when we had broken the Commonwealth Games scam. And I caution all of you today. Viewers, the same Lutyens media attacked me, said sack him. There were attempts to make me lose my job. I was told apologize, this is the UPA government. Kalmadi is Sonia's man. You are just a young editor and you've got a family. You should not worry so much. You must not take on so much. Apologize, shake hands, move on. Tumhe fasa denge. But I want to tell you, and all Lutyens media, and the same people who say now that Sushant to koi bada actor tha hi nahi, the same people then did an exclusive interview with Suresh Kalmadi and said mega explosion. And the first question in the interview was, Mr. Kalmadi, such terrible things are being said about you. Such terrible things are being said about you, Mr. Kalmadi. Is there any truth in them? Was the probing, penetrating? Question, in answer to which Mr. Kalmadi said, there is absolutely no truth in them. And with feverish delight, a channel which used to run an American name as its prefix broke the stupendous story. Suresh Kalmadi says all the charges are false. So we have been there and done that, Mr. PK Jain. We have seen the whole, we have seen the rest of them gang up together then also. We have seen, have I not seen, Savio? All of them ganged up together then.
You've done a great job.
No, I don't need your certificate, but don't patronize us. And I'm saying one thing, I will listen to the conversations when they come out. And a lot of evidence will come out and come out in the public domain very soon, don't worry. Savio, they're worried, more evidence will come out.
You know, Arnab, the truth has a way of coming. The truth has a way of coming out, Mr. PK Jain. The truth has a way of coming out.
Let it come out. Let
you
the investigation go on.
Why Parambir Singh, you answer why Parambir Singh did not take the India Today name. Why did Parambir Singh not take the India Today name?
He may have his own reasons, but you are only guessing.
Let's assume for a moment.
You are only guessing.
Let's assume for a moment that
he is the responsible officer. He has taken a press conference. He has made certain statements before the media.
The press conferences have been duly criticized by every court of this country, the Supreme Court, and twice by the High Court. What are you talking about? See, the question is, I'd like.
It's only how you read the word.
Okay, Mr. Jain, I go to Vikas now. I go to Manojit. Debate is open. Debate is open. The broader point I want to raise is, could it be possible? And I'm free to ask questions. Till now, I am in a free country. This city is not free, let me tell you, because the city is being run by Parambir like a Chicago mafia-style operation with the support of his very weak political masters. But is it possible, Vikas, that there is a corporate, political, police, media conspiracy at play here? The fact of the matter is that every day Parambir gets a little more desperate. He lied on day one. He summoned our team members. He asked for our valuation reports. He has deployed a quote-unquote encounter specialist in the case. And now everyone on. In a crime branch case, the enforcement, the economic offences wing has been called in, and we are being asked, are you profitable? Are you in losses? Why are you profitable? We are profitable because we are India's #1 channel. Are you out of your mind? Is that a crime? No, but you were in losses in year one. Of course we were in losses. We spent on buying all the machines to build this channel. Do you know how a channel runs? Do you know how a channel is started? I mean, I don't know, but you were in losses on day one. Arey, God knows, do you know about depreciation and capital expenditure? Now, is that a crime to be in losses in year one, to make profits year two? Is this the biggest crime? No, what is this? Is this madness, Vikas?
Yes.
Vikas, ये पागलपन नहीं है तो क्या है? फिर साजिश करेंगे, फंसाएंगे, मरेगा, सुसाइड करेगा. What is going on here? What do you want? What do all of you want?
Arnab, after 8th of October, after the press conference, today you must be a delighted man. And why I say so?
I am always delighted.
The central government and
my child, I am always delighted. I delight and I am delighted.
Are batting for you.
I am delighted and I delight.
I'm saying they're batting for you.
The truth is batting for me, but why are you quivering?
Arnab, I have never seen.
Why are you quivering? Why? I have always been delighted. I am always delighted. I keep changing my clothes nowadays. I must change my glasses. My question is, I'm always delighted. You tell me, why are you stressed now? Why are you stressed now?
Inquiry. The matter is handed over to
do you understand?
CBI.
Do you understand this?
Why? No, I'm not stressed. I'm not stressed. I'm saying you must be delighted.
Because one line.
The central government and BJP nominees are batting for you.
We are batting for media freedom. You know, we are batting for what the party you support.
No, you are not. We all understand. And let me correct you on law also.
Mr. Vikas.
No,
then I will. Please allow me my time.
Let me correct you on law also. On position of law also, let me educate you today.
Nupur,
let me educate you. Let me educate you on law also.
The ONG of the CM of Maharashtra is seen crying. We have failed in handling coronavirus. I have a question. Would Mumbai Chief
Nupur, let me
Minister
educate you on law also. Let me educate you on law also.
What Mumbai police can probe. Now educate me what Mumbai police should probe. Should not the Mumbai police probe?
No, listen to me. You said it couldn't have gone to EOW. Let me tell you one thing. Once a FIR is registered and during the course of investigation, if the police comes to know about the commission of any other cognizable offence, police can investigate further also.
Investigate. No.
Say that the investigation has to be only limited to the FIR.
So now I have a statement here.
That is not the correct position.
So viewers, I have a statement here before you. Vikas,
they can investigate anything.
Of course they can. Arey Baba, I am telling you, you can, you should. I have a suggestion for Parambir Singh. Since Nupur.
The OSD crying and accepting we failed in COVID.
No, Nupur.
Will the Mumbai police probe that? There is a video. Will the Mumbai police probe? There is a team at the level of CMO to stop a media house from functioning. Is that not a state of emergency? Will the Mumbai police probe? How come 200 FIRs were registered by themselves, which were quashed by the Honorable
FIRs have been cancelled or not?
The Mumbai police.
Are you aware, Nupur Sharma? Whether the FIR after the investigation gets cancelled, or not?
Palghar lynching.
There are
I make a broad point, a general point, not in the context of any individual, because there is one man who gets hyper edgy when I mention India Bulls. So today I will only say one word, and I don't know if the person is watching. I'll say it thrice. India Bulls. Second time, India Bulls. Third time, India Bulls. I will not say anything before or after. 1 minute, Ishkaran, I make no further comment. I cast no aspersion. But I shall freely do my work always in every case. And my job is to bring the truth out, whether in the context of India Bulls, or Palghar, or Sushant, or Hathras. So nobody should get uncomfortable. The question becomes about fabrication of evidence. And the question becomes, where do you go? See, Ishkaran, let us debate the question of where do you go. You start by saying, I am going to investigate the TRP scam. I have found that Republic has done a TRP scam. 12 days later, your lawyer goes to court and says, Savio, I want to go to Savio, goes to court and says, case is very preliminary stage, we found nothing. If it's preliminary stage, you found nothing, then why on earth were you doing a press conference 12 days earlier?
Yes.
Right? And on what basis did you make these gigantic allegations against me? And now, last point, I want to go to Savio as an last point. Now that you find nothing in the TRP scam, you say, स्टैंडर्ड कुछ तो घपला होगा, कुछ निकालो भाई, कुछ निकालो, नहीं तो मर जाएंगे, कुछ निकालो, बुलाओ उनके सारे एडवर्टाइजर को बुलाओ, उनका इन्वेस्टमेंट पूछो, उनका प्रॉफिट लॉस शीट पूछो, कुछ करो भाई, कुछ निकालो, हमारी इज्जत की बात है. That's what I am being told, Savio. The police officers come to our employees and our colleagues after the interrogation and they say this is very embarrassing. But apparently Sachin Waze and Parambir have convinced and told the politicians kuch na kuch niklega. So kuch bhi, tomorrow you will say that please interrogate Ishkaran Bhandari. Because कुछ घपला होगा, Ishkaran Bhandari TV पे आता है, रेटिंग ज्यादा होता है, तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा, इसमें भी कुछ घपला होगा. Tomorrow they may say please interrogate the Prime Minister of India. Because Prime Minister of India comes on the channel, the ratings go up, must be a scam there also. No, they will say it. They will next ask, 1 minute, Savio, next they will ask that why is your logo called R dot and why is your logo white on red? There must be a scam there. ये किसने डिसाइड किया? कुछ है गड़बड़ इसमें. और इसके बेसिस पे, इस लोगो आर डॉट के बेसिस पे आपको इतना रेवेन्यू मिला, यानी कि आपका सारा रेवेन्यू प्रोसीड्स ऑफ क्राइम है और हम आर डॉट लोगो को और आपको गिरफ्तार करेंगे. दिस इज Savio, आई एम नॉट मेकिंग अप, दिस इज द लेवल ऑफ मैडनेस गोइंग ऑन नाउ इन ड्यूरिंग द इंटरोगेशन. Savio.
Arnav, I think on a lighter note, I think Parambir Singh wants to shift from being a Mumbai police commissioner and probably get into the media business. That's probably what he's doing on a lighter note. But on a serious note, the most important thing is not that the Mumbai police cannot do an investigation. The problem everyone across India is having is that it is a biased investigation right from the press conference itself. Now let's say there is a TRP scam. Then by all means investigate it. It is your right to do that. But when you take a press conference and you take the name of Republic TV that's not named in the FIR and you omit India Today, then you are not the commissioner of Mumbai Police. You are the commissioner of omission. You omitted India Today. My question, Mr. Parambir Singh, is what is the quid pro quo with India Today?
Another question you asked, I want to just ask one question.
No, what is it that you can't trust Mumbai police and you trust the CBI so much? What is the reason behind it? Is it because of the fact that CBI is controlled by the central government?
To anybody who is connected with the accused in the FIR prior to the press conference, then will that not amount to conspiracy to black out the name? That is the question. Were phone calls being made to people or people connected or consulting editors of party named in the FIR? That would be very different from talking to a normal journalist, because then you are talking to somebody who is working connected to what is named in the FIR and then instantly.
I want to tell you one more thing. I want to tell you one more thing. I want to tell you one more thing, and I want to go to Smita Parekh. Smita Parekh, don't you think that this is also because we exposed the truth in the Sushant Singh Rajput case? Don't you think that is also one of the key reasons? Manojit Mandal and Smita.
Absolutely, Arnav. This itself is very evident that if we had not asked for
truth that he exposed?
CBI
manufactured truth that he wanted
drug cases. So because of CBI's interference, all these drug cases were also exposed, and NCB came into the scenario. So imagine all this was happening all these years in
What
Mumbai
is the
under
truth
the
in
nose of
Sushant
the police
case?
and the
Madam,
government.
please
And why
tell us the
suddenly-
truth in Sushant case. What is the truth that CBI has announced so far in these 2 months? What is the
CBI has
truth
yet
in
not
Sushant case that
announced
CBI has
anything.
announced
CBI
in
is
2
still
months?
investigating. If you will get
What
CBI
is-
also, if you will say that
the
CBI
could
cannot
not announce anything in
investigate
2 months.
anymore.
No, no,
And tell me
I-
the Mumbai police to
tell me
announce
how
everything
No, no,
in 2 months.
Manojit.
people will you
We
stop?
still want to know the truth in Sushant case.
So
We still
listen, the
want to
truth
know the
will come out,
truth in Sushant case.
but
What is
because
the
you can't
truth?
handle the truth, do you go against Republic? I mean, do you think people don't see that?
No, but my simple
Manojit,
point, Arnab.
Manojit, I have a question for you.
The Mumbai police.
Manojit,
What is
I have
it
a
that
question for you.
trust the
Manojit,
CBI so much?
Manojit,
Mumbai police is controlled
Mr.
by
Mandal,
Maharashtra,
Mr. Mandal,
CBI is
listen to me.
controlled by the central government.
Mr. Mandal,
Listen, I guess.
Mr. Mandal, I listen to me, and you are on the debate right now.
I can hear you.
Interesting debate,
I've been
Mr.
hearing
Mandal. I'll get Nupur on the other side. I want to make a statement today.
Yes.
I want to make a statement. I should be allowed to complete this because I know all of you will jump. Fact of the matter is, do you remember the Ishrat Jahan story? These forces tried to tarnish the Prime Minister of India, the Home Minister of India, by subjecting an endless and false canard about pogroms and fake encounters. Quiet, please. About pogroms and fake encounters. Did they then ever apologize to the Prime Minister of India or the Home Minister of India? And I tell those forces, this is not the same country anymore. You need to realize this, Surendra Chauhan. This country, its billion plus people feel empowered now to raise their voice. And the media, which we have created is here to stay. We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere, Baba. हम तो अपना झंडा गाड़ के इधर ही रहेंगे.
If he was,
we're not going anywhere. Surendra Chauhan and Nupur.
Arnab, you know, all those people questioning the CBI and its functioning, and also questioning my knowledge of law may actually please enlighten me and the country today.
Madam, nobody is questioning CBI's functioning.
He did.
Nobody is questioning CBI.
Arnab, I don't want to speak.
Nobody is questioning CBI.
Maybe you are hard of hearing, but before you, the panelists did.
No, but nobody is questioning. Why you are saying wrong thing? Why you are saying wrong thing? Who is questioning? Nobody is questioning CBI.
What have they come out with in 2 months? Why have they not declared? Manojit Mandal said it before you. Are you hard of hearing? Please make sure your earpieces are correctly put in. Now, please, I want to ask. I have a question to ask, and they may want to enlighten me.
Your money.
What question do you have? What question do you have
doing
on
for the last 2 months?
Mumbai police, which without any probe declared Sushant Singh's body to be a case of suicide within 15
everyone
minutes of
questioned
finding the
Mumbai
body.
police.
May actually
All
also
of us
want to
question
enlighten
Mumbai
me.
police, and in the same breath we are questioning the CBI.
Will Mumbai police
We have questioned the Mumbai police,
the
and in the
media
same breath we
house
are
named in
questioning
the
the
FIR
CBI.
originally?
What is the CBI
Please
doing for the
enlighten
last
me.
2 months? What is the CBI doing in the last 2 months in Sushant case? How much progress has been made?
Thank you, Nupur.
To probe and investigate. What has the Mumbai police done to probe and investigate the media house actually originally named in the FIR? ये pointed question है. इनकी टीम आई NCR में. सर, मैं आपसे इतना पूछ रही हूँ. CBI की प्रोब तो रोक दी. I'm asking you a direct question. You and Mr. Vikas Singh, मुझे बहुत आज लीगल लेक्चर मिल रहा है आज यहाँ पे लोगों से. मुझे इतना बता दो, मुंबई पुलिस ने 200 से ऊपर चैनल है इंडिया के अंदर. किस के चैनल को जाके प्रोब कर दिया, इंक्लूडिंग द वन ओरिजिनली नेम्ड इन द FIR. Our argument is simply for freedom of media. I'm sorry, it should not fall down to vendetta politics. I have seen politics for over 12 years. I was a child. Most
the
of you must be
investigation
living
to
your personal
you
life.
have no right
no,
to
please
ask
tell me.
Mumbai police that
then
what
you
is
don't have a right
the
to
line
ask
of
what the CBI has done.
investigation. You are
don't have a
nobody
right
to ask.
You don't have
Okay, viewers, I have to take a break.
Ask what kind of probe CBI has
Okay,
done.
I have to take a break, and on a lighter note, I'm told that on a lighter note, Parambir's only interest nowadays is how Republic works. So I'm giving him a job offer anyway. I don't know how long you'll stay as commissioner. I'm told your replacements are being found. When you go, come, I'll give you a job of an intern. I will teach you how to do investigations. I'll tell you everything about Republic. Heard that, Parambir? See you on the other side, few minutes.